Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get 4K quality on CapCut application. So the first thing you have to do now is just go create your editing, or you can also open the project that you edit before, and here is the project that I already edited. So the quality of my video is quite good and I want to keep this quality, and I will let you save in the highest quality that CapCut can give to me. So to get the 4K quality on a CapCut, you just need to take a look on this upper part here. Before you save your video, you just need to go expand this option, and you can see the resolutions right here. They will be default in 1080p, but if you want to get the 4K quality, just drag this point into this 2K or 4K quality. But you need to take a look on this estimated file size. So the higher the resolution will be make your files become bigger. Let's see, now the size is 4.7, and whenever I drag into the 4K, it changed and increased to 11.7. and then if you want to make your video run smoothly, go change the frame rates to from 30 to 60, and it also will increasing the size of your files. If you already deals with everything, now you are ready to export your video by click this button, and you will get the 4K quality for the video on the CapCut. So that's the way how to get the 4K quality on the CapCut, guys. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.